this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2017 Ford Transit Custom. This shape ran from the 9th month 2013 to current. This vehicle sustained damage to the front and rear. This vehicle is fitted with a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the right-hand headlight. Left-hand front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel wheels. We have the left-hand front door. Left-hand rear sliding door appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch alloy steel wheel. Left rear. Left-hand tail light. Factory 16-inch steel wheel, right rear. We have the right-hand front door, right-hand power door mirror, right-hand front guard, 16-inch factory steel wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, tidy automatic transmission gear stick, factory single stack CD player with sat nav, tidy interior mirror, tidy left hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, automatic transmission instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.